In this video, we're going to talk about customizing RStudio. So I assume that you just installed RStudio on your machine and you've just opened it up. From here, we're going to go and click RStudio Preferences. We're going to go to Pane Layout. These squares here, we can see three of them, one here, and one here, are called panes. And generally, I think the arrangement of them can be made a little bit better. So here's how I like to do it. I go here, and I want my console to be in the top left. The console actually is this window that we see open right here. In the top right, I like to have the source code, and I'll show you why in just a moment. In the bottom left, I like to have the files, and in the bottom right then would be the environment. I'll click Apply, click OK. Now, what happens, we can minimize these windows, and we can resize this vertically. I'm going to push Command plus to make the text a little bit larger so that we can see it a little bit better. I'll click in this window, and to clear this console text here, I can push Control L. So now I have the console on the left, and I have my scripting window on the right. So usually we're going to be typing things in the console window, or the scripting window, excuse me, and we can source them by pushing Command Enter. So when I push Command Enter on a particular line, it takes that line, copies and pastes it into the console window, and then evaluates it. So this is the common workflow that I will use. I'll have the scripting window on the right, the console on the left, and then as we do other things, for example make plots, the plots will open up in the bottom left, which then takes up some of your console but not some of your scripting window. Generally speaking, we want to see more of the scripting window because that's where all of our code is going to be. So that's the basics for customizing RStudio, and that's where we're going to leave things.